So my name is Nora Luetzgendorf. I'm an instrument scientist for the James Webb Space Telescope. So I work for one of the 4 instruments of the James Webb Space Telescope. That instrument is called NIRSpec, and it's short for Near-Infrared Spectrograph. So a spectrograph basically is similar to a prism, what you probably also have at home. You can look through it and you see the rainbow colors through the prism. And that's what our spectrograph does. We split the light into rainbow colors so that we can study those rainbow colors. And that gives us a lot of information about all those different elements and parts of the universe that are hidden in the spectrum of an object. Our instrument showed us spectra, the prism on the rainbow of the light from some galaxies very, very far away. So one of our galaxies that we saw was about 13.1 billion light years away from us. Our instrument, our spectrograph, was able to take a spectrum of this galaxy. And with the spectrum, we could tell how far away it was. And that was amazing because that means this galaxy probably doesn't exist anymore nowadays. It existed 13.1 billion years ago. It was one of the first galaxies. So we basically look in the past with our instrument. So I was inspired to become an astronomer from very, very early ages on because my grandfather actually was very interested in astronomy. And we had long breakfast conversations about cosmic objects, such as black holes, especially, because I think that's where my love for black holes come from. And he told me about those mystic objects that you cannot see, but you can see by looking at stars that move around them and things like that. So that's really a very core memory of my childhood. And so I decided to study physics and then specialize in astronomy later. One big tip I have for those kind of careers, because they are still, it is still a field that is challenging, especially for women, is find yourself some good mentors, find yourself a good supervisor and somebody who can lead you in your career and help you out and give you connections. Don't be shy to ask people for help and do what you think you want to do, and don't give up.